Hi kids, welcome back. Let me teach you another lesson. I can't wait. I'm waiting for my phone call. Hi cell phone, we're on number 5. Yes, we did 1, 2, 3, and 4. The next number is 5. We're gonna skip it. We're gonna do the next 2 together. Oh, you have a sense of humor. We're gonna do lesson 6, 7. 6, 7, that's what we're doing together because we're super cool. We are going to learn 2 more rules. 6, 7 rule. Anyway, we have a word. As we are learning to read right now, we're going to take any word, which is called a base word. It's just a very simple word. House, cook, test, plan. They're typically very short words, but you can take any word, and sometimes in the English language, we put something on the beginning of the word, and we put something on the end of the word. If we put it on the beginning of a word, it's called a prefix. Prefix. That's the first thing I'm going to teach you. Pre means before. And if we put something on the end of a word, it's called a suffix. And that means it's at the end of a word. So I wrote this down for you. The word is in the middle. We can have both a prefix and a suffix at the same time, but the prefix we are going to learn about today is pre, and the suffix we're going to learn about today is s. So we have a prehistoric. When you think of pre, think of prehistoric. Pre means before, like way before, like we're going to study, we're going to pre-study. We're going to have a pre-test. It is prehistoric. This means before all this happened. We're going to pre-pay for something. We're going to pre-cook something. This is a form of speech called a prefix. So when you see the word P-R-E, your brain is going to say, ding, 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 ding. This means way before. And you're going to hear other big words as you get older. Predetermined, prevail. They all mean pre. So if the word is really, really big and it looks really confusing, just chop off the pre and you can say to yourself, that means before. Because sometimes when we learn to read, the words are so overwhelming and they're so long. They have lots of syllables, lots of letters. But I'm going to try to teach you, when you look at a word and it looks so overwhelming, just break it apart. Just break it apart, and that will help you get to the main word, which is the base word, and all the stuff around it will give you clues about what the word is going to say. So get out your dinosaur. Pre. This is symbolic of a prefix. Pre. Now, we have our snake. Snake, you can kind of make it like an S. This has 2 functions. This suffix, okay, which goes at the end of a word. You've got the prefix at the beginning, the suffix at the end. The dinosaurs came before the snakes. So when you put an S on a word, it makes it plural, which means more than one. Like hand. Hands, I've got 2. Book. Books means I have more than one. Also, when you put the S at the end of a word, it means it's doing something. Dances, walks, talks, laughs, hopes, hops, jumps, learns. You've got 2 parts of speech. The prefix and the suffix, you know them both. Get your snake, put it on the end, get your dinosaur, practice in the beginning. Now you've learned 2 more parts of speech for the 6, 7.